Control drives consistency in molding. Controlling consistency starts with temperature. AceTronic Thermocline thermolators keep mold temperature stable and repeatable, so cycles stay predictable and parts stay consistent. With RKC control supporting accurate regulation, you get dependable temperature control where it matters. Smartflow keeps your thermolator's cooling loop consistent. Smartflow manifolds organize supply and return, and flow meters with flow regulators help confirm and control the flow rate of individual circuits. For faster mold changes, the swap valve uses shop air to clear cooling lines quickly and cleanly between molds. After production, EcoPro helps prevent drift. The Ace EcoPro 360 cart pumps EcoPro 360 to remove rust and help inhibit rust, with filtration that supports reusability. That's control consistency, built into the full process. AceTronic, keeping you connected.